Hi, kindergartners. Welcome back to Social Studies. Today, we are going to learn about tools. Now, sometimes when you think about tools, you think of a hammer or a drill or those kind of construction tools. But today, we're going to think about jobs and the tools that are important to different jobs. Can you think about maybe what you want to be when you grow up? Maybe you want to be a teacher or a carpenter or a chef. We're going to learn about some different tools that help people do different jobs. Our checklist for today, we're going to review the objectives, watch the lesson video, complete the assignment, and then click Mark as done on Google Classroom. Our objectives for today, our content objective, I can identify the preparation needed for different jobs. So the preparation is those tools we talked about. And our language objective, I can explain the preparation needed for different jobs. So again, on this page, when it talks about preparation, those are the tools that each job needs. The only thing you're going to need today for materials is your Chromebook. All right. Oopsies. Let's go back. All right. Like I said earlier, today we're going to talk about jobs and the tools that people need for each job. Everybody say job. Job is our one vocabulary word for today. A job is work that's done to earn money. Look at these tools. Can you think of the job that would need these tools? You're right, this is a doctor or a nurse would need these tools. How about these tools? I see some muffin tins and some bread and some pans, some measuring spoons, measuring cups, a whisk spoon. A chef would need these tools. How about these tools? Paintbrushes, paint rollers, a scraper. A painter, you're right. How about these tools? I see some shears, a hair dryer, some combs, some scissors. This would be a hairdresser or a barber would need these tools, somebody that cuts hair. How about these tools? Notebooks, rulers, scissors, glue, paper clips, pencils. A teacher would need these tools. How about these tools? This is a lifeguard, somebody that helps protect you at the beach or the pool. All right, now we're going to listen to this story. It's called Whose Tools Are These? And we're going to learn about different tools that each job needs to help them be prepared.
Whose tools are these? A look at tools workers use. Big, Sharp, and Smooth by Sharon Katz Cooper, illustrated by Amy Bailey Mullenhart. Use your thinking tool and guess whose tools are whose. Tools can be big, small, soft, hard, sharp, or smooth. A fork is a tool to help you eat. A shovel is a tool to help you dig. Many people use tools to cook, clean, and fix things. Many workers use special tools to do their jobs. Can you tell whose tools are whose? Whose tools are these? Looking and listening. These are a doctor's tools. She uses them to peek in your ears, shine light in your eyes, or listen to your heart. A doctor's tools help her see if you are healthy. If you are sick, she can use her tools to find out why. Then she can help you get better. Whose tools are these? So shiny and sharp. These are a chef's tools. A chef needs different kinds of tools to prepare different types of foods. He has tools for cutting and tools for measuring. He has other tools for mixing, chopping, and blending. Whose tool is this, making faraway objects look closer? This is a field biologist tool. A biologist is a kind of scientist. She observes animals to learn what they do. A biologist wants to sit far from the animals so she doesn't scare them. She needs binoculars to help her see what the animals are doing. Whose tools are these, so hot and pointy? These are a hairdresser's tools. She uses a blow dryer to dry hair, a comb or brush to style hair, and scissors to cut hair. She might use a clip to keep hair in place and a hot curling iron to curl hair. Whose tools are these, sitting on a desk? These are a teacher's tools. A teacher helps children learn. He uses dry erase markers to write numbers and words on the board. He shares books with his class to help children learn to read. He might show a video to teach about a faraway place. Whose tools are these, so colorful and bright? These are an artist's tools. She uses colors and brushes to paint a picture. She uses a drawing table to hold her paint and her canvas. Some painters also paint houses and walls. They use much larger brushes and many other tools like ladders and sprayers. Whose tools are these, laying under the hot sun? These are a lifeguard's tools. At a beach or pool, a lifeguard keeps people safe. Sometimes a lifeguard needs to stop people from pushing or running. He might blow his whistle to get their attention. He uses a rescue tube to bring a person out of the water if the person has trouble swimming. Whose tools are these, so helpful and varied? These are your tools. You need your pencil and a good eraser to do your homework. If you're doing math, you might need a ruler. If you're doing art, you might need markers, paint, or crayons. If you're writing a story, you might need a dictionary. Whatever subject you're working on, you have to use your most important tool, your brain. The end.
All right, in that story, you heard lots of different tools that people use to help do their job. Now, we're going to keep thinking about all of those different jobs that you just learned about. Okay, now here's your assignment for today. You are going to match the tool with the person that does the job. So here we have a stethoscope to listen to a person's heart, and I'll give you a clue. You can see it on this person. These are measuring cups, these are paintbrushes, and these are scissors. Now, when you are looking at the tool and you see the person that uses that tool, we are going to click on the picture and drag it to the box that it matches. So all of these pictures are going to be in one of these boxes when you decide which tool matches the job. When you're done, go back to Google Classroom and click Mark as Done.